friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Today is the Summer Fruits collab. And our host is 6 Kids and a Glue Gun and Amanda and Brenda with Rustic and Lace DIY. Please check out their channel in my description box. And please check out the other participants and the playlist in my description box for more fun fruit DIYs. Okay, I started by adding this bow, and I kept it in the farmhouse style and added buffalo plaid and lemon. And then for the center, I added a daisy. My picks of lemon had 2 large lemons, the first set that I used. So I did 2 here, 2 here, and 2 there, and 2 here, 2 here. And then I found some smaller lemons at Michael's, and I added them here at the end, and they came with these little lemon blossoms. And I'm like, that is really cute, and I liked it, but it needed more flowers. So I came back in and added a couple small bunches of daisies and added daisies in the center of the bow just to give it more flowers because it was a little sparse. And I added a few pieces of this unusual greenery just to give it a little bit more interest because it was kind of a boring wreath with just lemons and nothing else. Because it did have a little bit of lemon greenery, but not a lot. It was kind of going to be really sparse. So if you're going to do a lemon wreath, either pick like some daisies or a small flower to add to it. If not, it's kind of sparse, or some interesting greenery. Okay, here is our sign for our wreath. Actually, this came from Temu. And if your sign doesn't have holes in it, what I use, this is a jeweler's punch. Back when I bought this, I don't know, 2018, these were $7 on Amazon. You can probably still find them on Amazon. It'll punch a hole in your metal sign. You just turn it like this and twist it. I just twist it a little bit till it get the size hole I need. And I do one at the top and one at the bottom. But Temu signs, which I just ordered, this is the first time I ordered from them. They already have the pre-done holes at the top and the bottom for me, which is really, really nice. Then I just take it and twist and do the same thing at the hole in the bottom. And it fits the pipe cleaners perfect. It's a perfect size holes, which is really, really nice. Then you just put your pipe cleaners through the wreath. Pull it tight and turn and twist. And make sure the ends of your pipe cleaner is back up through the wreath. I always put it back up through so it doesn't scratch your door. And I normally put it through where it comes back through under the sign so nobody sees it. See, I pulled that where it would be would not show as much. It would be more under the wreath. Then you twist. Then I push these back up through and hide them away. I have, oh, my wreath lost a lemon. We're gonna adjust our lemons a little bit. This one needs to be attached. Then I'm gonna take this one. I always look for the best side, you know, just like us. Your artificial stuff has a best side too. You want that pull? Okay, here is our lemon wreath. Here's our sign. We got it to move. When life gives you lemons, make something sweet. This is our container I'm using for our centerpiece, which I like to do more farmhouse with my lemons. And you know, you take the tags off as you go. I'm not, but you can. You can. And I start with the biggest fruit first. And since I'm going to have this in my table, I want it to have two good sides. These are from Hobby Lobby. These are from Michael's. See the difference? These are really nice fruit, has nice leaves, but these has the lemon blossoms, which I kind of like better. Especially in arrangements and in wreaths, I kind of like that better because it gives it more texture. Just pull it out a little bit and insert it in. It's kind of sprouted out around. There goes another one. Have to see where that came from. Oh, there it is. Then this is my next one. I'm gonna just, this will go on this side. Well, it's really a cute arrangement just as it is, but I think it needs something. I like to add either daisies or just little tiny greenery, something, because I think it just needs something. A little more flowers and not so much just fruit. But I don't want something big that'll take away that. This is not and go, oh, that looks too big for that. No, I don't want that. I just want something small that will enhance the arrangement. And this is just this is just baby's breath from the Dollar Tree. See how a little bit more of something. Makes it look a little. Okay, we are going to make a watermelon. This can be used as a wreath attachment. You can use these for garlands, or you can use this as a banner for in front of your mantle. All I'm doing is cutting out a template of a watermelon. Slice. And this is just red felt. Okay, and there's our slice. And now we're going to trim out the green section. You can get these templates like this, and you can actually take them and use the old-fashioned tracing paper and put it on wood, and also make this in paint if you don't want to do felt. My husband's gone. I didn't have access to him to cut me a template, a wood template of this. This is what most of the wreath makers, a lot of their attachments, this is how they're making their attachments now. And they say they'll hold up in the weather outside for 6 months, which is more than enough for your attachment for a season. Okay, now we're going to just cut squiggly little things. And you want it just squiggly. You don't want it to go on our slice. and just keep on. You just want them to be random and not the same. Okay, now we're going to go do the black spots, or the seeds of the watermelon. I'm going to just cut out a template and then cut it on some black felt. And remember, these don't have to be perfect. And you can have as many seeds or as few as you want. You could even do a seedless if you like. And if you didn't want to do a red watermelon, I've seen people do them in pink. And I just dropped my template. Okay, now we have to decide, is our watermelon going to be an inside piece or an outside piece? If it's inside, you can decoupage it to just a piece of cardboard. If it's an outside piece, you have to go with foam board to make this more weatherproof. And you decoupage it to the foam board. But I don't think I'm going to use mine outside. So I'm going to use this, and I'll decoupage it to just a piece of poster board. Okay, here is our lemon centerpiece with our watermelon. It could be a wreath attachment, or it can be, you could put this as a banner on your fireplace, into a garland. I'm going to put this on my table for part of the centerpiece at a summer table. Tell me what you could see it used.